Hey guys, welcome back to this week's video. It has been a hot minute since I've done a video, so we are going to head over to the Magic Kingdom to go check out the construction progress on the Tron coaster. There has been a lot of progress since my last video, just from pictures I've seen online and other videos, so we're going to head over there to check that out. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. How excited are you guys for Tron? When do you think Tron's going to open? I'm hearing a lot of speculation on when this ride might actually open, so leave a comment below. Let me know when you guys think this ride may not open. So let's go check out Tron. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you to all of my subscribers. If you didn't know, I have actually gone over 2,000 subscribers now, so thank you to each and every one of you guys. Make sure you hit that share, subscribe, tweet, all that stuff, and I will see you guys real soon. From Tron in the Magic Kingdom, my name is Jason. I'm out. Let me know what you guys think. Enjoy.
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
Without worrying about getting a speeding ticket. High-flying adventure. Hop on board the Astro Orbiter. Pilot your own spacecraft as you take a spin around the planet and ascend to otherworldly heights.